Hello, my lovely. Welcome back to Obisu's Kitchen. It is always a pleasure to have you here. And if today is your first time stopping by, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Yes, so today we are making the original Ghana soft banku. So sit down and relax as I take you through this delicious delicacy. To start with, I've got my corn dough here, so I'm going to empty the content onto a saucepan, and then for this much I added about 1 cup of cassava dough to it, and I'm going to add some water and then mash it up until it is nice and smooth. You can at this stage blend it if you wish, or you can strain it if you feel like there are husks in your dough. Okay, so I decided to give it a quick blend, and this is what I have. You can of course cook it as it is without blending or straining. It all depends on you. Okay, so I'm adding more water, and then I'll go ahead and add some salt, and this is the perfect consistency to start your banku with. Okay, so as you can see, I'm stirring on a medium heat. So continue to stir as you normally do with porridge until you see that it starts to curdle at the bottom. Continue to stir and kind of mash it against the saucepan slightly, and soon it will start to thicken up. Yes, so stir, swirl it, and then mash it on the saucepan as you go. Yes, so soon it will become even thicker. This is when you need to start really mashing to break up any lumps that may be forming, but mind you, the lumps are not completely cooked, so it is easier to mash at this stage. So continue to stir and mash. Okay, so we get to the stage where it has really formed. This is when you kind of twist it upside down, turn it upside down and then continue to stir and mash on the saucepan. So take some spatula and kind of scrape all the ends onto it so that everything gets cooked evenly. And at this stage, I'm going to be adding some hot water. You can also add cold water if you wish, and then I'm going to cover it for this to boil over. So after a few minutes, it is boiling, as you can see. So what we're going to do is to use our wooden spoon and turn this upside down. We want the bottom to come on top and the top to also go underneath so that it gets the chance to cook as well. And I will cover it as we did before, and when we come back, the steam and all this boiling would have cooked the banku perfectly inside and out. At this stage, as you can see, it is separating because of obviously the water. So continue to mash it and press it together until it comes together again. Soon you will see that it is coming together. Yes, so continue to do your thing. If you follow it through just like this, there is no way you're going to have lumps in your banku. Yes, so as you can see, it is coming together again. This time it is softer and easier to manage. Just take a look at how silky and soft this banku is. Hello, this is Orisua. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so very much. And if you are not, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing with your bell activated. Thank you so very much. Just take a look at this authentic silky banku. At this stage, my lovely, you shouldn't taste or smell any fresh corn dough whatsoever. It is a done deal. Look how soft it is. So I'll just go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of water onto my food bag and portion them. I hope your okro soup or stew is ready, or if you're having it with pepper sauce like me, get it ready because you simply cannot wait. If you really enjoyed this silky banku recipe, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up like the video to help support the channel, and share if you can. I would really appreciate that. And I hope to see you again in my next video. Until then, take care and stay blessed, my lovely. Bye bye.